Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can cut audio in CapCut. So let's get to it. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my audio as well. And as you can see guys, that the audio is way longer than the video, and I'm going to make the audio align with the video, so we have to cut the audio. Okay, and if we want to cut the audio, we just need to tap on the audio section like this until the section is active, and we can place this parameter to the part of the audio that we want to cut. And since I want to make the audio align with the video, so I'm going to place this parameter right here, and after that we can click on split button. Then we can remove this part by clicking on a delete option or delete button right here. Okay, and now the unwanted part of this audio has been removed. And actually there is another way to cut the audio. We just need to tap on the audio until the section is active, and we can drag the audio like this. We can drag it to the left. And if we want to cut the first part of the audio, we just need to drag it to the right like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can cut audio in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.